Run your Cube OS on VMware in 3 minutes. Preparation. Download and install VMware Workstation. Download the latest Cube OS image from GitHub. If you need to add Zigbee devices, prepare a Zigbee dongle. Ready? Let's see if we can set it up in just 3 minutes. 1. Create a virtual machine. Launch VMware. Select Create a new virtual machine. Choose Custom. Hardware Workstation 17.5 or later. Choose I will install the operating system later. Select Linux, other Linux 6.x kernel as the guest operating system type. Name the VM as Cube OS and choose a storage location. Set processor 2 cores and 4 GB memory for Cube OS. Set network adapter to bridged mode. Set controller type to LSI logic. Select a disk type SCSI. Use an existing virtual disk. Click Browse. Then select the Cube OS.vmdk and keep existing format. Click Finish. 2. Configure the virtual machine. Select the created virtual machine and click the Settings button. Under the Network tab, confirm the network connection as bridged and select Replicate Physical Network Connection State. If using a Zigbee dongle, please add a USB controller and enable Show All USB Devices. Under Options-Advanced tab, set firmware type to UEFI. Click OK to save the configuration. 3. Boot Cube OS. Start the virtual machine. Wait a few moments for Cube OS to initialize. Monitor the boot screen until the boot is complete. Once completed, you will see the Cube OS IP displayed on the screen. Use this IP address or cube.local to access the Cube OS web management page. Now you can start adding and managing your devices locally in Cube OS. Faster than brewing a cup of tea, just 3 minutes.